Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 here, and the question is, can it wirelessly charge other devices that has a case on it? Well, let's go ahead and turn on the wireless power charge here. Here's the Note 10, by the way, Galaxy Note 10. Let me scroll down here. Let me scroll down again, and I'm gonna put on wireless power share right here, okay? Right there. Now let's just put the center of your phone back to back with another device that is actually capable of wireless charging. Okay, so right now here's an iPhone 8 with an OtterBox case, double layer, it's super thick. Let's see if it wirelessly charges. No problem. How about an iPhone 10s Max with a thick case as well? No problem. How about a Samsung Galaxy, this is a S10 Plus. Oops, do it again. Okay, no problem. It is wirelessly charging, and wirelessly charging has pause. Let me move that back up. Let me put it back down. Okay, I think I have to re-enable it. Let's go back into here. And let's put it back on wireless power share right there. So it's on. And again, here's the iPhone, or I'm sorry, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Pop that on here. You can see that it is wirelessly charging right there. The reason why it's paused is because it's currently at 100%. Okay, anyways, here's a Google Pixel 3. Okay, because it paused it, we have to go ahead and re-enable it again. So let me go ahead and go back in here. And we'll put on wireless charging again, tap it right there. It's on, and here's the Google Pixel 3. Pop that on there, no problem, okay? So obviously there's no problems charging with cases. However, what happens if both phones have a case? What happens if the Note 10 has a case as well as another phone? Well, I don't have a case for the Note 10 here, but for my S10 Plus, works the same way. The Galaxy S10 Plus is very similar to the Galaxy Note 10 here. So I have a case on this one. So let me go ahead and put on the wireless charging on this S10 Plus here. So let me go ahead and we're going to go into slide it down. So wireless power share, I'm going to put that on. So there's a case on it. Google Pixel 3 with a case on it. No problem. iPhone XS Max with a case on it. No problem. Here's an iPhone 8 with a double layer case, super thick. Again, this is iPhone 8. No problem. And you can see two cases on. No problem. So pretty impressed. Any questions? Comment below. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.